Hello, zebra friends. This is Natalie, and
we go to Jelly Belly Factory.
Who are you?
Elias.
And this is the video about when we went to the Jelly Belly Factory, and we hope that you enjoy. So here we go.
And also, we hope you have a good deer.
A good deer. The boys were super excited about seeing this Jelly Belly car at the Jelly Belly Factory. Here we are, posing in front of the Jelly Belly wall and walking up the Jelly Belly stairs towards the tour that they have self-guided with these videos.
So around 1965, we began making jelly beans. We made jelly beans from berries.
And here is the history of the Jelly Belly. Some interesting facts that I took close-ups of, like the popcorn and the sports beans and some other ones. It was interesting because even in that video, one of the first videos they talked about, there's 2 Jelly Belly factories in the United States, and one is here in California and one is in Indiana. If you wanted to pause these, you're welcome to go back and pause them or whatever. I think it's interesting that they mix it by hand. Look at all those fun colors. And I know that those are fun flavors in there too. These pictures are all made from jelly beans, even of the presidents. And I find this super interesting. So this conveyor belt is creating the packages for the sports beans. See, there it goes. Oh, it's going on a trip. That box is going on a trip over there to get closed up. That box is about to get closed up. Did you see that?
Yeah, one just went over that way on an adventure. Yeah, why are you guys close that?
So on the top are some more Jelly Belly pictures made from jelly beans. And on the bottom is just another conveyor area of more stations where they're creating packages of different Jelly Bellies.
Open and form the boxes, cutting in half to create the sturdy package. Next, Andrew added the filled box package plate. Tuck down the belts with the newly formed boxes with the sweet scale.
What is this that we're looking at, boys?
Jelly beans.
How many are there?
Thousands and thousands and thousands.
So at the bottom, there's all the dyes and colors for the jelly beans. This seriously looks like a big pile of slime or goop. This is the mold section where they take this powder starch and they put the mold inside, fill the crevices up with the liquid candies, and then let it sit for a little, and then they pop them out and they go along the conveyor belt, and this is explaining that right there. We found the patriotic jelly beans. Okay, there's the red, white, and blue coming from there. Coming in the trays. Getting dumped over there. Going down into their patriotic bags, probably for Memorial Day that's coming up. Going to the boxes. Isn't that cool? This one's not heavy. stock right now, but same concept.
Yeah, it actually shows how it works. It actually shows how it works right here.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're filling them up right there at the bottom.
Or the conveyor belt is working. And right here we can see where the employees get their uniforms. We weren't actually supposed to take this picture of the picture. Oh look, there's the Yoda jelly bean picture. This is my first wine tasting ever, and technically the boys did too, but they had sparkling apple cider, and I got to try all the wines on my own. And then they had the chocolate tasting that we all had. Like I had some for me, and then the boys had their own as well. Cheers! And we just had a really fun time just being fancy. And behold, there's even more Jelly Belly portraits. Have you ever made a portrait or a picture of jelly beans? Let me know in the comments. It would be super fun to know. Happy Chinese New Year 2022. Year of the tiger. Go again. And this is starting the drive home, and I just thought it was so beautiful looking around the beautiful countryside. And then on the left right there is Mount Diablo. Alright, well we hope that you enjoyed that video, and this is Natalie again.
And Asher.
And we hope that you enjoyed it enough to like and subscribe and join us with this journey as we go on lots of adventures, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add?
See you next time.
See you next time.